Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about today's webinar that I'm supposed to have at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Wednesday. Right now, the time is 3:12 p.m. Now, at early in the morning, around 8 o'clock, we had red news, USD red news. Nothing happened then. And after that, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. We supposed to have read the CNN, FOMC. FOMC usually gives us the sense of direction, not even if not the clear direction, at least sense of direction. But today, I don't know what happened, but so far I see that this whole market is completely messed up. It's doing nothing but ranging. Everything is like USD. If you look at the USD, look at for example, Euro index, look at that, that makes a little bit of sense, it's sitting at the support, but I just don't know right now that, it's going to drop or bounce. Everything is completely chaotic right now. Pound index, you can see that it dropped. It's supposed to bounce, but it's keep coming down, and then this is the tier that is there, but I still have to see that if it is going to go down, or technically it's supposed to go up, right? But what happened after the FOMC, it's not clear at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. I'm going to cancel the webinar. I'm not going to do it because I really don't have anything clear. So what I'll do is I'll wait and see, and maybe by tonight things will get clear a little bit, right? Just pay attention to this pound. If we're going to go, if we're going to bounce from here, 55.92. If we go up, then and then after that you see any long setup in pound pairs, then you can take a chance. But I will still hold and see what happens because it's not the time of trading anyway right now. So by tonight, I will make another video if the things get a little bit clear, and then we will get ready for the Thursday night or Thursday day, whatever you have on your side. So, but today Wednesday is just very very chaotic. So relax, be patient, right, and do something else, and then we will. I'll make another video later on if things gets better than tonight, and then we'll see if we can do something in London session. Look at this yen. How are we gonna trade anything? It's just keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. That's completely nonsense. So let's see. What near future will bring. See this Aussie index is completely ranging, and it can drop or bounce. It's kind of a little bullish, but it's still bearish, and it's in the middle, and it can go anywhere, in any direction, right? So I just have to see this weekly, monthly chart. It's very very confusing right now. Um, so that happens. That happens every now and then, right? So just sit tight and be patient, and things will get better. And as soon as they do, I'll make a video, a detailed video tonight anyway, because things gonna get better a little bit right after the Asian session, and FOMC already happened. So something is gonna catch the direction, and then I will make the video. Maybe late, 10, 11, 12. I will send up, and then London session, we might have some trades coming in. Right now, nothing. I'm not gonna try anything at all with that I had. I tried a couple of. I had only one trade, pound yen short for 50 pip. That's it. Even though I was expecting a long on that one as well. But that's what I'm saying. Everything is going the other way and ranging and very chaotic. All right. So I hope you understand, and I will talk to you guys later tonight again. So no webinar today, and be patient, and I will make another video. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.